chipped off, new lines get put on, goes into oven, gets cured. My dad started Dynamic in '96. So Dynamic is 28 years old.
28 years, okay.
And we started with nothing.
What's up, guys? So I'm doing a Mercedes-Benz engine, and I cannot find a clutch kit. So right now I have to go and take this clutch into dynamic braking clutch, and they are going to rebuild it for me. It's the only option I have basically right now. Let's check. Hopefully we can see what they're doing on the inside of dynamic braking clutch. Yeah, guys, let's go. Your name is? Lieve, okay. Guys, this is dynamic brake and clutch. As you can see, they supply a lot of brakes here. They do clutch rebuilds. Okay, it's left here. It's the first one being here at the back. Okay, so all of this here is...
This is all pressure plate and clutch plate core that we rebuild.
Yeah.
And we supply to... We usually supply to lots of spray shops.
Yeah.
We don't supply to as many as we did before.
Okay.
But the big names,
yeah,
the old school guys, Ali's, Abus, Ragas, Capris.
Okay.
Those are the guys we started wholesaling to. Now we do mainly remanufacturing and supplying to the end user, retail.
Okay.
But everything gets done in-house.
Yeah.
Everything gets done in-house, from rebuilding a clutch plate, pressure plate, machining a flywheel. I'll show you that machine there now.
Yeah.
Skimming of discs, drums, heavy duty skimming, mechanical rework and work. You will see.
Yeah, I see one
custom
left here. Yeah.
We're doing brake lines on that.
Okay, so you do brake lines also?
Yeah. Brake lines as well. We do performance clutch kits.
Oh, this is...
So we do all that in-house. This is actually a customer's unit.
What's this for? What vehicle?
This is on a E90.
Okay.
323, I think it is. Customer paid big money for this, 30 plus grand.
Yes.
One outing, it slipped. Somebody.
Okay, so he's racing with this thing.
Somebody sorting that out. So plus the manufacturing section.
Oh, you?
Old linings get rolled out, new linings get fitted. Then we come to the brake holding section. Old linings get chipped off, new linings get put on, goes into oven, gets cured. We have a radius machine to cut the outside of the lining. We have an orbital grinder which cuts the sides. We do skimming of flywheels and pressure plates. So this is the machine that does the skimming.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the machine that does. It's drilled out.
Okay.
It's put together.
Okay, so this is basically...
It's tested. So these are the two testing machines. A light duty testing machine, heavy duty testing machine. So everything that leaves us gets tested before it gets.
Okay, everything.
Everything. Would it be a clutch kit? Would it be a car that had brakes done or a clutch done?
Yeah.
My dad started Dynamic in '96. So Dynamic is 28 years old.
28 years, okay.
And we started with nothing. But today, 28 years later, we have fully fledged brake equipment.
Yeah, that's good. That's
And,
lovely.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
And yeah, everything being done in-house, I think it makes it.
And basically your turnaround time is quick, like the clutch that I brought in now.
The clutch kit in an hour.
Okay, so that's very quick.
Rebuild a clutch kit, machine a flywheel within an hour. Doing front brakes on a car within an hour. Doing front and rear brakes within 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Doing a clutch overall within the day. You bring it to me in the morning 8 after 6, get it back in the afternoon 4 after 4. So that's what we thrive on.
Yeah.
Customer service is of the utmost importance.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
My dad has instilled in me that customer service is of the utmost.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And I firmly believe that you'll get no better service than a family-owned business.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
That goes without saying.
Yeah.
Corporate, you are a number and that's it.
Yeah.
But a family-owned business,
Yeah.
they put their blood, sweat, and tears in that business, and they'll give you everything.
So you running it now?
I've taken over in 2017.
Okay.
So as of 2017, yeah, dynamic.
Okay. All the best for your business, and
Thank you.
yeah, I pray that you grow. But it's nice seeing what you do. That's the main thing, you know.
So yeah,
And your vehicles, yours is your vehicles.
yeah,
It's your. Okay. Yeah, this is what we like to see, basically. Some nice old vehicles.
Old school, like the old school is.
Yay.
So 72 triple S Coupe, 72 triple S Coupe, 76 1200 GX.
Hey. And the colors, yo, nice.
This one is sold. This is fairly new to the crew.
Okay.
So it's still
Okay, so it's still building up and everything.
Yeah, it's still a building process. This
Very
one,
nice.
This one I got for 22 years now.
Okay.
So this one's got all the bells and whistles. Everything from
Okay, nice.
yeah, it's still running the LCD engine because I think authenticity for an old car
Yeah.
is a lot more than doing an engine swap.
Yeah.
Or guys chase power, it's all good.
Yeah.
Different strokes for different folks.
Definitely, yeah.
But it's not lazy.
Yeah, it moves.
It moves. It does what it needs to do when it needs to do it.
Yes, no, definitely, yeah.
But it's still authentic.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's
It
the main
still
thing.
keeps.
If you open the bonnet, it
still
looks.
keeps the era
Yeah, that is coming from.
from that it's coming from.
Yeah.
It's got a in-dash DVD, PlayStation 2, electric windows, electric sunroof.
Lekker.
It was built as a street rod, and I think that's my persona. It's
Yeah.
got a little Tesla ball there.
Lekker. Nice.
These in the booth, it's got a little mini replica there.
Ah.
This one not
Yeah.
as much as that one, but it's still got what it needs. It's still got what it needs.
So basically, these cars you built up from ground up, or the.
I can say almost everything on the cars were done by me except the bodywork.
Okay.
You
You don't do body work. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't do bodywork.
Yeah.
That needs
Yeah. A special
a
person.
special hand for that.
Yeah. No, definitely.
They need a special hand for that. So this one's running a 14.
Okay. The 1400.
Yeah. So I took the 1200 engine out, the A12 engine out for the A14 engine, single 45 branched. So yeah, it does. It sounds the part. It goes the part. My wife. This is
She likes this car. Yeah.
This is her.
I mean, the color is nice. So.
I've got two girls, and the girls have already decided that one is the small one has claimed the purple car.
The purple
and
car.
the elder one's
Got this one here.
claimed the green.
Yeah. But at least you're leaving them something lekker, you know. And it's neat. That's the main thing. It's you know, the bodies are straight and everything.
It's showing signs of age now.
Yeah, I mean,
but you know what? I am that person. I think hiding blemishes.
Yeah, that
Takes away from character.
makes sense. Yeah,
Takes away from the character.
Yeah.
So it
is what it is. What you're seeing is what you get.
52 years old.
That also. I mean, for 52 years old, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So for it to have a little bit of character marks,
it's not. It
goes to say.
Yeah.
Goes to say, you know what? When we get that age, we're not going to be without our pain here.
No, definitely not. Yeah.
So yeah, we're not.
So we have to. Yeah. No, but lovely, beautiful.
Yeah, big into old school.
And what other vehicles you have as well?
I've got a E30 320.
Okay.
I'm
building that one up.
It's done already.
Okay.
It was automatic.
Okay.
I made it manual, so now it's a 6-speed manual.
Okay.
It's got a branch exhaust system on. My girls love that.
Yeah.
My girls love that car too, but it sounds the part.
Yeah.
It's a 320. It doesn't go the part of
I
6-cylinder.
understand. Yeah,
because
I
it's the slowest of the 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
But it sounds the part. And everywhere we want to go, even if I have to go to the shop, which is 2 streets
they want to go in
Daddy, we want to go in there. Now, that car's registration is Ninja. Yeah,
okay.
So Ninja is, so every time we need to go anywhere, Dad, we want to go Ninja. We want to go Ninja.
Now you must let us know when that car is available, then we can go for a drive or we can have a look at it, because BMs is our thing. We love BMs. But best of luck with everything.
Thank you.
This is a nice place. I like the setup, and as you say, family owned. That's the best. Hold it. Oh, you. Come on. You don't have control on. Yeah. So what's your name, boss?
Emilio.
Oh, we
Mas what is it with you?
YouTuber.
Né?
Yeah.
Next
I'm gonna
What
give you
channel?
my SLICK-RIDEZ. I'm gonna give you my thing now.
Same thing.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Can I pass with this?
Thank you, son.
Shot, man. I will enjoy your day.
You say what's the channel?
Okay. Right, guys, we are at Autorex. They supply second-hand spares. They stock vehicles here. Okay, your name is there, boss? Craig. Okay. So Craig, you supply the spares for all vehicles.
All types of vehicles, engines, gearboxes, tail lights.
Okay, so let's go and check there what you do back here. You strip. Okay, you guys are also fixing as well, or you just?
Buy, fix, rebuild, resell.
Okay, lekker. So you're doing everything here. Okay, that's nice. So it's quite a lekker spotje in the back. Oh. Okay. So starters, sub-assemblies I see here. Okay. Stripping these cars as well?
All these cars are variables.
Okay, all of these are variables. Okay, and you got a whole little stock here at the back as well. Okay, that's nice. So basically guys, any parts you guys are looking for, Autorex here, I'm going to put a number on the top. You can phone Craig. Pistons, conrods, crankshafts, wheel caps. We got a whole variety here guys. Bumper types, everything. Thank you, Mr. Craig.